Today we are going to make coconut patties for Navratri festival. We will now prepare the patty stuffing. In a mixing bowl, put the grated coconut, the chopped cashews, raisins, and the ground peanuts. The sugar, chopped green chillies and ginger, the cilantro, and half a teaspoon of rock salt. Add in the lemon juice. Stir until all the ingredients combine nicely and keep it aside. And now we'll prepare the potatoes. These are boiled and grated potatoes. We will add the arrowroot flour as well as half teaspoon of rock salt to it. And mix the ingredients nicely until they combine well to form a smooth dough. The potato, arrowroot and salt mixture has become soft and smooth and dough-like, and now we are going to mold it into patties. Grease your hands with oil. Take a little dough and shape it into a ball. Now make a pit in the center and make the pit slightly broader so that the stuffing can be filled into it, and fill in the stuffing which you have prepared earlier. Stuff inner filling into the pit, press it lightly. Apply oil to the fingers and close the pit. Seal the opening well so that when you are frying the coconut patties, it does not spill out. Shape the stuffed dough into a round shape and seal any open edges. Seal them well and transfer to a plate, and in this way prepare all the coconut patties. The coconut patties are ready to be deep fried. We will now place the oil on a burner to heat it up. Keep the heat on high, add the oil and let it heat up. The oil is hot now. We will take one patty, roll it again, seal any edges that are loose and place it into the hot oil. Splash hot oil on the patty, and as soon as it is slightly cooked, flip it over and then cook it by flipping it regularly until it is nice and golden and cooked all over evenly. Once the oil is hot, reduce the heat to low and then drop in the patty for deep frying. And once the patty is deep fried, hold it against the edge of the wok so that the excess oil drips out, and then transfer it to a tissue lined plate. Fry all the coconut patties one by one similarly. Keep the heat on low. You can raise the heat and lower it again as per need, and keep turning over the patties frequently. And as soon as the patty turns golden, remove it to the plate. So all the patties are ready. We will now serve them. But before we do that, we will cut one patty and show it to you. As you cut the patty, you can feel the crispness, and you can see that there is a good amount of stuffing in the patty. To serve the patty, place one in the bowl and serve it with any chutney you like. So here is our recipe of the day: coconut patties. You can serve it with mint chutney or coconut chutney if you're serving it for vrat or fasting, or otherwise you can serve it with tomato sauce as well. So do try it and give your feedback. And if you like the video, please share it and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and have a very nice day.